English class. Today we gonna discuss another topic from writing section, that to the fourth category of formal letter. Yes, complaint letter. What is it? Complaint letter. Are you all ready to listen to the topic? Yes, if you are ready, let's begin. My dears, today we move on to the fourth category of formal letter, that is complaint letter. The name itself, you will come to know what it is. Yes, it's a complaint only. Means if you buy something, a product or whatever it is, okay, if you buy something, after that you find any defect over the product, okay, you just write a complaint to the authority, either to get the cash back or for the replacement of the product. Am I right? See, we just used to spend a lot of money and buy a thing. After that we find some defects in the product. Obviously we write a letter to the authority to get the cash back or replacement. Right. So the same thing only here. We just write the complaint letter for this. Okay. So just listen. Not only product, some other things also will come under this category. Okay. While explaining one by one, we'll just go through. Understood? Okay. Just listen. Complaint letter. Formal letter format. Same format only. We begin with sender's address without name, date, then receiver's address, subject, salutation, body or content of the letter, complimentary clause, and finally name. Okay, the same format. Okay, and you have to keep the same alignment. Clear? And here some useful language expressions I'll give you. You can use any one of these expressions if you want to. Okay, while writing the letter you can use any one of these expressions if you want. See this? We regret to inform you that. In your letter you can use this sentence if you want. We regret to inform you that we found defect in this product. Okay, sometimes TV or flat, whatever it is. So we regret to inform you that we found a defect in this product. Okay, which we just purchased from your shop or wherever it is. You can mention like that. Or I am writing to complain about the product which I bought from your shop. Like that you can write. Or we are sorry to inform you that yesterday I bought this product from your shop, and then whatever so and so. You can just write the details of the product. Understood? So if you want, you can use any one of these expressions in your letter. Okay. Only I am just trying to help you people, because how to begin. Every time that starting problem will be there and writing skill. Okay. So to avoid such thing, I am just giving some useful tips. That is not mandatory. If you want only, you can use. Clear? So if you are interested, any one of these expressions you can use in your letter. So here complaint letter means we just complain about something. Okay, right? We write a letter to the authority to complain about something. That is known as complaint letter, and that is the fourth category of formal letter. Okay. Here is a sample letter for you. You bought a flat from PQR Builders, Sector 55, Bangalore. Within a period of 2 months, you have started facing a lot of problems like seepage on the walls and ceilings, wall paint peeling off, leaking sanitary fittings, lift getting stalled, etc. Write a letter of complaint in 120 to 150 words to the manager. You are Karan or Karuna, A90, Apurva Apartments, Bangalore. Here is the letter. Listen. Sender's address without name. Okay. So, A9D, Apurva Apartments, Bangalore. Okay, that's the sender's address. Date. Date also written. Then, receiver's address. You are writing this letter to the manager of PQR Builders. Right. Okay, that's already given in the question. So, listen. The manager, PQR Builders, Sector 55. Okay, Bangalore. Here, we begin with sender's address without name, date, then receiver's address. Okay, then comes subject, complaint about new flat, or simply you write complaint letter, that also will do. enough. Okay, complaint letter or complaint about what is that you can mention. Then comes salutation. Dear sir, see the body of the letter, how we begin. I purchased A9D Apurva Apartments from PQR Builders. It has only been 2 months, and then you can just write the details. What are the complaints you faced in the flat? You have already purchased the flat and started living there, okay, staying there. 2 months got over, then you found some problems there in the flat. Okay, what are the problems that you must think, and then continue the letter. Okay, and you are just complaining about this new flat, okay, to the manager of PQR Builders. So if you buy a product or if you buy a flat or whatever it is and find some problems, we use write letter to the authority, okay, to let them know about the problems or the defects. That is known as complaint letter. So here the same formal letter format you must use, and then you have to just write what are the complaints and all, and finally you must just ask them either to get the cash back or for the replacement. Okay, so you can conclude the letter like this. Hope you all have understood, okay, how to begin and what are the contents. Here is the letter. A90 Apurva Apartments, Bengaluru, 15 October 2020. The manager, PQR Builders, Sector 55, Bengaluru. Subject, complain about the new flat. Dear sir, I purchased A9D Apurva Apartments from PQR Builders. It has only been 2 months since I shifted to this flat. However, I have already started facing a lot of problems. The wall paint has started peeling off. The rainy season has not yet started, but there is already seepage in the walls and ceilings. The new sanitary fittings seem to be of an inferior quality and are already leaking. We were also assured of 24 hours power and water availability, but that does not seem to be the case now. Drinking water comes only for the 3 hours in the morning, and power cuts have also become quite frequent. I would really appreciate if these issues are addressed at the earliest. Yours truly, Karan. So my dear children, this is the way to write the complaint letter. Okay, so based on the product, you must just write the complaints. Here it's flat, that's why we just wall paints peeling off or seepages and all different things we mentioned about water supply, current supply and all. So based on the product, you must just write the complaints. Okay, hope you all have understood today's topic well, and if you have any queries regarding this, you can just feel free to ask me. See you soon. Goodbye.